How to upgrade to premium in Reelshot? Want to unlock all features? Here's how to upgrade to premium in Reelshot. First, open Reelshot on your device and tap on the profile or settings icon usually found at the top of the screen. Look for the upgrade or pro button. Once you find it, tap on it. Choose a subscription plan that fits you. It's usually monthly or yearly. Enter your payment details and confirm the purchase through Apple's system. Once upgraded, you'll get access to premium filters, no watermark, and more tools. Start creating with the full power of Reelshot immediately. Have you upgraded Reelshot to premium? Tell us what you love about it in the comments below. Check for free trials before subscribing to taste premium features. And that's how you can upgrade to premium in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.